Ladies and gentlemen, this next fight is in the 170-pound pro division. Introducing, fighting out of the liquid nitro red corner, an independent fighter, Ricky Pulu. His opponent, fighting out of the Pacific Home Remodeling blue corner, international self-defense, Bryce Mejia.
Are you ready to fight? Fight!
Ladies and gentlemen, at 23 seconds into round one, we have your winner. Fighting out of the blue corner from international self-defense, Bryce Mejia!